Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today we will see pivot charts in Excel. In my previous video I have shown you pivot tables. Now today we will see pivot charts. Okay. So what is pivot chart in Excel? Pivot chart is an inbuilt program tool in Excel. It helps in data summarization, finding the patterns of the data and also trends in data. It helps in large volumes of data which can be plotted easily in charts. Okay. It's visual representation of tabular data. So now we will go to Excel and see how we can use pivot charts. So this is the data set we have. So we have company name, items, sale city, sale amount and sale date. Okay. So we will plot pivot chart based on this data set. So we will go to insert and you can see here pivot chart. So click on that arrow and you can see pivot chart and pivot table. So we will click the second option. Okay. So you can see table range is automatically selected. So you can remove that and you can select manually as well, like here I am doing it. So as per your data set you can select that, and there are two options, new worksheet and existing worksheet. Okay, you can see here. So you can put as per your convenience. So I select new worksheet. So here you can see blank pivot table and pivot chart is plotted, and we can see the column names like company name, items, sale city. Okay, you can see here. So now we want to see the sale amount based on the cities. So which city has the how many amount of sales. So we are dragging sale city into axis categories. Okay, and we will drag sale amount into values. So just remember, whatever you want to see the values, you have to put it into the values column. Okay, so here you can see chart is plotted based on city and sale amount. So you can see here all the cities are providing the sale amount. So from the graph you can see chart, you can see that Pune is having highest number of sales. Okay, after that we have Delhi. From the bar chart you can see, right, and Kolkata and Mumbai is almost similar. Okay, so like this way you can plot the data in the chart. Okay, also you can see option, like if you click right click on it, let me show you, let me close it. Right click on the chart anywhere. Okay, and you can see change chart type. So you can click on that. Let me click it. You can see here you have all the chart patterns. Okay, so here by default it is showing column. You can see line. If you select line, you can see the chart is plotted in line. Okay, you can see all the sale amount. You can select bar. Okay, so here you can see chart is plotted with the help of bars. Okay, so all the cities are showing the sale amounts. So here you can see from the drop down you can select suppose Nagpur for example. So it is showing the sale amount of Nagpur. Okay, in the chart itself it is showing the filter. If you select all, then everything will come again like here. Okay, also you can plot pie chart like this. Okay, so all sales cities are showing in different colors. So I am selecting column over here again. Okay, so chart is plotted. Now suppose if you want to select the items into legend categories, the items. Okay, so here you can see all the items are also showing along with the cities. So which city sold which items and what is the amount, so that is plotted in the chart. Okay, so here you can see garments. Bangalore sold 85,000 garments, 85,000 rupees of garments, like that. So I am removing again the items from the chart. Now from that pivot chart analysis you can see designs. Okay, so you can click on that and you can change the design of the chart. Okay, also from the change color options, let me show you. You can change the color of the bars. Okay, So as per your requirement and as per your convenience, you can select those like orange, green, whatever you want. Okay, so like this. So like this you can change the designs of the chart. Okay, so now let's drag items into filters. Okay, let's do it. So here you can see the items filter. Okay, and there is a drop down, so you can select as per your convenience. Okay, you can select, suppose I am selecting fruits, so we can see the sale amount of fruits in those cities which sold fruits. So Kolkata has the highest number of selling of fruits, 78,000, then Hyderabad, and so on. Okay, so like this we can use filters. Now suppose I am selecting garments, so you can see Bangalore and Mumbai. So Mumbai has the highest sale amount of garments, after that Bangalore. So with the graphical data you can analyze the data and follow the trend. Okay, I am removing the filter items again. Okay, now we are dragging sale date into legend column. Okay, so you can see when we drag sale date, you can see additional columns like months, quarters, and years. Okay, so just remember, when you are dragging any date column, it will by default bring in that months, quarters, and years. It's only for date columns. So here you can see it is showing the years, quarters, everything. Okay, so based on that you can filter your data, like which year, how many cities sold what amount of items. Okay, like that you can play with the data. So just remember, for any columns which are having only date, with that by default this months, quarters, and years will come in. Okay, and you can just add, or means you can just uncheck those. Suppose you want only years, like here. Okay, so you can see it in 2023 and 24 the data is plotted. Okay, so like this way you can play with the date column. Okay, so if I select the city, suppose Delhi, you can see in 2023 it is the sale amount. Okay, 1,34,000. If you select items as well, okay, you can see the items. So Delhi, in Delhi we sold cosmetics and vegetables, and we have the amount. Okay, so if we select Kolkata, you can see Kolkata sold cosmetics and fruits, okay, in 2023 and 24. So this is how we plot the data in pivot charts. Okay, so thank you all, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more informative sessions. Thank you, bye.